guys, thank you for stopping back by my channel. My name is Charity. If you're new here, consider subscribing. If not, thank you for coming back. Today we're going to tackle this fridge. It's a disaster area. I'm not sure exactly what happened, but I know there's some salsa spilt in here and some other things that need to be cleaned up really bad. I will give you a sneak peek of the before. It's pitiful. Please don't judge. Okay, so starting off, I'm pretty sure there's probably some stuff underneath this tea jug. Oh, actually, it's not that bad. Okay, but there's stuff just like everywhere. It's random stuff. It's not even close to being organized. Some salsa has gotten spilled right there. And there's cups that I'm not even sure what's in these cups. And oh yeah, there's the culprit of that salsa mess. Yeah, it looks really bad. I'm ready to get it cleaned up and organized. And our egg basket up here, and there's eggs back there. I'm gonna put them all in one container. We have our own chickens, so we get our own eggs. And those are Waylon's snacks. Yes, the goat eats snacks. But it's just like a, look, I'm not sure what that is. That's gross. But I wanted to be real with y'all and show y'all that nobody's perfect. And down here as well. Yeah, so nothing is perfect. And I hope y'all remember that. Don't try to be anybody else. Just be yourself. Alright, so let's get into this cleaning video. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm going to let you see the inside of the refrigerator and the freezer. And it's not perfect, but it'll do for now. So, here. Okay, so my camera is about to die. But those are the chalk labels that are on the other video I just posted today, the weekend vlog. And this is Mahala's snack drawer. It's so much easier to put these in here and let her just get her own thing. And I actually have an empty drawer. Yay! This is what that drawer decided to look like, or I decided to make it look like. And then here's the freezer. I'm sorry if you are vegetarian, but we like meat. And all of this is ice creams. And I wanted to show y'all, this right here is a magazine holder that I just put in here and put the popsicles in. It's a lot easier for us to do that way. That way Mahala can get whatever she wants. But I hope y'all like this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. And if you feel like this is something you want to watch more often, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until then, signing off. Good night, goodbye, have a great day, see ya.